Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the value of x, that is, the length of x, using the Pythagoras theorem. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concept. If you look at the right angle triangle attached to x, I have the side 18 millimeters, x centimeters, and then I have the missing hypotenuse. In order to use Pythagoras theorem, I need two sides to be known. And because the other side, or the hypotenuse, is unknown, what I'm going to do is to look at the figure given, the composite shape given, and then figure out how to find the missing side. So, starting with the first triangle I lighted, I have the dimensions. I'm going to draw that out. I have the right angle triangle. I have the hypotenuse missing, so I call that A. I have the length of side 14 millimeters and 29 millimeters. Using Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse, A squared, equals to the sum of the square of the other two sides. That's 14 squared plus 29 squared. That's Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, A squared is equal to 14 squared, that's 196, plus 29 squared, 841. A squared is equal to 1037. I'm not going to solve for A. I'm going to leave it like that because I'm going to use it for the next side. I move to the second triangle with dimensions 17 millimeters. Note that we've been able to find A squared. So if I draw out that triangle, it's a right angle triangle. As shown with my right angle, I have 17 millimeters. That's my A. And then I'm looking for the adjacent. Let me call that B. Using Pythagoras theorem again, the hypotenuse, which is always the side facing your right angle, A squared, equals the sum of the other two sides. So I have 17 squared plus B squared. Note that we've been able to calculate the value of A squared to be 1037. So I'm going to say 1037 equals 17 squared, that's 289, plus B squared. Therefore, making B squared the subject of the formula, B squared equals 1037 minus 289. B squared is equal to 1037 minus 289. That will give us 748. So now that I have B squared, I'm going to move to my last right angle triangle. In order to find x squared, I write using my Pythagoras theorem, starting with the hypotenuse or the side facing the right angle. I have that as B squared. I take that B. So that's B squared is equal to the square of the other two sides. So I say x squared plus 18 squared. I've been able to find the value of B squared from the previous solution. That's 748 equals x squared plus 18 squared will give us 324. That's Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, x squared is equal to 748 minus 324. X squared is equal to, if I subtract that, that's 424. And in order to find x, I'm going to find the square root of both sides. Therefore, my x is equal to square root of 424 will give me 20.59. Note that what we've been doing so far is in millimeters. So therefore, my answer is in millimeters. But we've been asked to find the value of x in centimeters. So therefore, we know that 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. So to change my x in millimeters to centimeters, I'm going to divide by 10. So I have x, which is equal to 20.59 divided by 10. That answer will be in centimeters. Therefore, my x is equal to 2.1 centimeters to 1 decimal place. Thanks for watching. Bye.